Hello everyone, so in today's video I will be telling you how to center align your taskbar icons like in Windows 11 without using any third party app. So first of all, you have to right click on the taskbar and uncheck the lock the taskbar button. Now you have to right click again and go to the top and check the links button. Now you will be able to see two vertical lines and you have to hover on them until you see two arrows pointing towards the left and the right. Now you have to drag this all the way to the left and push the icons to the right. So now you can move these anywhere. So let me align them. So now it's looking perfect. So you have to right click on the taskbar and uncheck the show title button. Now you have to right click again and click on the lock the taskbar button. Now your taskbar icons are centrally aligned. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.